Moving on, Kerala High Court initiates suo motu case against the leaders of the Popular Front of India, or the PFI, calling flash hartal in the state, which was earlier banned by the court. The court observed immediate action should be taken against the ongoing attacks. So those protests that you can see, in fact, in the largest coordinated raids ever to be carried out in India. Premises linked to the Popular Front of India have been raided in 15 states. Over 100 top PFI leaders and functionaries, 106 to be precise, have been arrested during these raids, which took place yesterday in Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Assam, Karnataka, also Delhi and Tamil Nadu, carried out by the NIA, the ED and also the state police as well. The NIA claims during the raids they found incriminating documents as well as cash, sharp-edged weapons, besides a large number of digital devices, and made those arrests for allegedly supporting terror activities. Amit Shah had carried a high-level meeting yesterday over those raids by the PFI, now saying that, in fact, by the NIA on the PFI leaders. The PFI is going on to say that the action is a witch hunt, is baseless and sensational. 106 PFI leaders were arrested in pan-India raids that took place yesterday. We have my colleague Rishika joining us. Rishika, what's the latest?
Well, the latest information that we have coming in is that the Kerala High Court has now, in fact, initiated a suo motu case against leaders of the PFI. PFI, remember, has called for a flash hartal in the state, which was earlier banned by the court. So the Kerala High Court there has taken cognizance of these protest visuals that we can see on our screens at the moment, and essentially called for immediate action to be taken against the PFI. The Kerala High Court taking suo motu cognizance against the PFI leaders, both state and national, has in fact very clearly directed authorities that immediate action should be taken against these attacks. We've had pictures coming in from across different parts where, a bus has been vandalized earlier today. There are now protest marches taking place. These, of course, are all functionaries of the PFI, leaders who've now mobilized and taken to the streets after the massive crackdown that took place yesterday. Just to put this story in perspective for our viewers, remember, there were these massive NIA raids, the largest ever NIA investigation that was initiated against the PFI yesterday. Over 100 leaders, state and national, of the Popular Front of India have been arrested by action that's been taken by the NIA as well as the ED. Now, the grounds as far as the NIA and ED are concerned are, a bit unclear. The NIA has come out and issued a statement wherein they've said that, they're investigating possible terror angles, they're looking at radicalization, they're looking at terror camps. We're still awaiting clarity on what really are the specific charges against these leaders who have been apprehended in yesterday's raids. Having said that, you're now seeing the PFI protest, the NIA crackdown. The PFI in a statement yesterday called this vendetta, said that this is a witch hunt against the PFI and an attempt to subvert democracy, to, take away the right to dissent. So that's as far as both sides of the story are concerned. But very interesting developments in terms of the Kerala High Court taking suo motu action against PFI leaders, taking note of these protests that have turned violent in several parts, and saying that immediate action needs to be taken against these attacks. Once again, just to tell our viewers that the reason the Kerala High Court has taken this suo motu cognizance is because these flash hartal that is taking place in this state was earlier banned by the court, which is why the Kerala High Court has initiated suo motu action against leaders of PFI. They've called this flash hartal in the state. This is something that was banned by the court. The court has observed that immediate action, therefore, should be taken against the ongoing attacks. Divya.